Introducing the Xiaomi Mini Washing Machine Mini Washer and Dryer, the future of smart laundry solutions. Compact, efficient, and packed with innovative features, this smart appliance is designed for modern living. Perfect for small loads, it handles up to 1 kilogram of clothes for washing and 0.5 kilograms for drying, ideal for busy professionals or anyone living in tight spaces. With a sleek, minimalist design, the Mini washer fits seamlessly into any space. And with 20 different programs, you have total control over your laundry. Whether it's a quick 15-minute wash, a delicate cycle, or a high-temperature steam sterilization. Thanks to smart technology, the Mini washer uses auto-dosing, ensuring the perfect amount of detergent is dispensed based on the level of dirtiness. Plus, the unique foam spray helps clean your clothes in record time. Speaking of speed, the high-temperature steam sterilization can reach up to 95 degrees Celsius, killing 99.99% of germs and bacteria. Remote control is easy through the Xiaomi app, where you can schedule washes, adjust detergent levels, or even trigger OTA updates. If you prefer, simply use voice commands with Xiao AI for hands-free convenience. Compact, efficient, and smart, the Xiaomi Mini Washing Machine. Mini Washer and Dryer is designed to fit your busy lifestyle. Whether you're washing your yoga pants or a quick set of pajamas, it's the ideal solution for small spaces and fast-paced lives. Available now in China for just 1,999 CNY, the Xiaomi Mini Washing Machine is the perfect addition to any smart home. Don't miss out on this groundbreaking piece of technology.